you doing? Are you eating your ducky blanket? Are you gonna eat it? Are you gonna eat it? Are you gonna eat it? Hmm? Are you gonna eat it? Are you hungry? Oh. Are you hungry? Yeah? Is it too early for paparazzi? Is it too early for the paparazzi? Eat it. Is it good? Oh. Is it yummy? Is your ducky blanket yummy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? What are you trying to say? You're gonna say something? Oh. Can we say hello today? Hello. It's close. Hello. Yeah. Hello. You were doing it so good yesterday. Hello. Hello. No hello today. That's okay. That's okay. Are you hiding now? Are you hiding now? No more paparazzi? Are you hiding from the paparazzi? Yeah. Okay.